it's Wayne from Damage Undone. I've been meaning to make this video for a little while. It's about the Star Finish anti-static gun made by Mixplast, a French company, sold in the UK through a company called Basic Welding Services. There's a few other anti-static guns on the market. This is the one I use. It's really reasonably priced, low maintenance, comes with a 3-year warranty, which is what I like, so that's peace of mind. That means it must be a great thing. I use it on every job that I do. It basically, what does it do? It neutralizes any static buildup on a panel. So every time you touch a panel, you panel wipe it, you dust it down, anything like that will create static. You may have already seen this a lot on plastic bumpers. I mean, they're notorious plastic parts. But by using this, and that static will then attract fluff, anything that's around, it'll just attract it to it. It can also, with silvers, in certain areas, little corners, it can push the paint away, so not allow the, especially silver metallics, not allow them to land nicely and fall as you'd want them to do. So by using this, you eliminate all of those. It's a rechargeable unit. I'm not sure if you can see that. So if I press that button, those lights light up. You've got the, obviously it just shows you it's on. You've got the power surge there. It lasts, I don't know, 3 or 4 months on a charge, depending on how often you use it, which is a pretty long time. It doesn't take long to charge it back up, sort of 3 to 4 hours. What you need to do is you plug in an airline here. The airline then gets pushed through. The charge activates the electrodes in the end. Hopefully you can see those 2 little electrodes. And that creates the neutralizing effect onto the panel and removes any static that's on your panel. It has a little bracket that it can sit in, but it also comes with a nice little magnetic magnet there, so you can actually mount it on the side of a metal cabinet, or where you've got a workstation, anything that's metal, you can just mount it there on the side of the car, just in between jobs. Definitely something you need to, you should consider if you're doing jobs in plastic, repairing plastics. It's worth considering. For the output, I think the time you save having to denib is worth it. I just wanted to, because I know there's a few of my guys out there who follow me, who've seen me use it all the time, and they've actually gone and bought it, but you might not know this. Every sort of 6 months, depending on how much you use it, but let's say on average of 6 months, you'll find that it's not neutralizing the statics as much as it should. The reason for that is the little electrodes, hopefully you can see them in here. Let me just see. So there's 2 little electrodes there. It's just a maintenance pack really. I'll get one out. These, I've actually just changed it over, so this is why I thought I'd let you all know that. So let me just show you this electrode. So that electrode there, hopefully you can see it. Let me move it back a bit. Really difficult to see anyway. It's a really small electrode. It's gold tipped. It's gold plated on the top there, and with use that wears away and it stops it from being as effective as it was when you first got it. So it's a really simple fix, literally 10 seconds. You need a pair of needle nose pliers. You would, I'm not going to do it on this one because I've already done it, but you would put it in the end there, just grab onto the electrode. I was trying to remember where the electrode was, because it has got a little crown effect on the end, so you want to try and put it back in place like that, although you can rotate it when it's in. So you basically will then pull the electrode out, grab your new one, put it in. The top is springy, so try and just hold it on the bit that doesn't move, the actual silver part, not the gold plated section. And all you do is you push it in, and that's it, maintenance free. So you should do that every 6 months, or depending on how often you use it, just when you think it's not actually working as effectively as it did originally. It's not broken, that's all it is, just a little maintenance. These aren't a lot of money, they're about £20 for the 2. So overall, compared to other brands on the market that are selling static guns or renting them, it's a really economical tool to have. If you don't believe that it works well, you know, just check out other guys that have used it, see what they say. You know, don't take my word for it. But I love it, and I use it on every job, and the proof is in the pudding for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you are interested in anything else I do, please feel free to just check out my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, Damage Undone. I'm on LinkedIn as well. I'm on all the social media. There's always new things I'm doing and uploading and little tools that I use. Everything I review is stuff that I use every day in my repairs. So I don't just review something for the hell of it. It has to be something that I can implement in my work. And, you know, you guys can see me using it, and if you have any questions on it, I can answer it. It's not like, oh yeah, I just reviewed it once, I can't answer that question. I know what I'm using. So yeah, and it helps, it makes my day easier. And hopefully it'll help you out. That's all I'm about, just helping you guys out and just showing you what else is out there. So great, have a good one, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. Bye now.